The next part is a part that's really crucial for a fast workflow, and it's to work with tool presets. And I have a download link here underneath the video on my website to download the tool presets for you as well, so you can work fast as well. So now I will demonstrate how you can install tool presets into your Photoshop. So first of all, what you need is the tool presets panel, and this you find under Windows and tool presets. And when I uncheck current tool only, then you see that's the standard or the default tool presets, and these are more or less useless. Okay, and how can you install the cool tool presets from me? You just go to Edit, Presets, and there are the Preset Manager options. And switch from preset type Contours to Tools. Just select the first one, select the last one with a shift click, and just delete all of these default presets. Yes. And after that, you can go to Load and go to your Downloads folder, most probably. I have it here on the desktop, and I just open this MD Tool Presets EN 2022, press on Open, and now all my tool presets gets loaded, and I press on Done. And I use always current tool only. So when I go to the brush tool, for example, I have here my standard brush to work with. Or if I want to retouch, I go to the spot healing brush, and I can just say I want to use my D30, that's the diameter, hardness 100, pressure on the graphic pen is the size, and I will sample all layers. So I definitely know what to set up and how to work with all of these tools, and I don't have to jump around here in the options bar. I just can go in and select the right tool. And if you just go through the different tools, you see the different tool presets I have created, and all of these presets help a lot of working faster in Photoshop. So install my tool presets and enjoy to become a lot faster.